This Model 3 performance was traveling on the Autobahn at high speed when all of a sudden everything went wrong. The Tesla driver was in the passing lane as he approached two slower vehicles in the travel lane. Suddenly, the driver of a Skoda Fabia began changing lanes, evidently without checking his mirrors. The Skoda made contact with our subscriber's Tesla, causing it to lose control, cross multiple lanes, and go off-road before rolling over several times. Incredibly, our subscriber walked away from this insane wreck completely unharmed. The occupants of the Skoda Fabia were also unhurt. Our subscriber told us he's extremely thankful for Tesla's incredible safety features, and he truly believes the outcome would have been far worse if he'd been driving any other vehicle. What do you think would have happened? Dylan was driving his Model 3 through an intersection with a green light when he suddenly spotted a Model X driver running their red light. Dylan swerved to avoid a collision, but the Model X still clipped the driver's side of his Tesla. The Model X's airbags deployed, but the ones in Dylan's Model 3 did not. When police arrived, they summoned tow trucks to the scene since both Teslas were likely totaled by the collision. Luke was enjoying a relaxing drive on his way to a friend's mother's 94th birthday party in his Model Y, but he had no idea that another driver was approaching him from behind at well over the speed limit. Seconds after appearing in his rearview mirror, a speeding car flew past Luke's Tesla, losing control and spinning across the entire highway right in front of him. The car then smashed head-on into a concrete barrier, scattering debris across the highway before coming to a stop facing the wrong way. It didn't seem likely to Luke that the occupants were seriously hurt, so he continued. April was driving her Model Y when she noticed the driver ahead of her was aggressively tailgating another SUV. When both drivers took a right turn, the tailgating driver attempted to overtake the SUV on the shoulder, but the SUV driver ahead swerved to cut them off, forcing the tailgater off the road. Both drivers pulled over, and April told us they were becoming confrontational as she continued on. Our next story is bound to ruffle some feathers, so buckle up. Antonio was giving a friend a ride home when he encountered road work up ahead. After waiting patiently in traffic, Antonio was about to proceed through the work zone when a flagger stopped him so oncoming traffic could have a turn. Just then, the driver of a van illegally passed Antonio, brushing against the flagger, who was quickly joined by other road workers as he began chasing after them. The van sped off, of course. What an incredibly reckless and dangerous thing to do. Marty and his wife were heading to Disneyland in their 1-month-old Tesla Model Y. They were cruising in the carpool lane with full self-driving engaged when the VW ID4 ahead of them ran over a cooler, scattering the contents everywhere and sending the cooler ricocheting off the median barrier. Instinctively, Marty jerked the steering wheel to the right to avoid striking the cooler or any of the debris. As they continued on, they could see that the VW's front bumper cover and fender had been damaged by the collision. Thankfully, their Tesla wasn't affected. Alan and his wife were in their Model 3 and had just picked up their dogs from the groomer. Alan was driving manually when a turning pickup completely blocked the view of another driver waiting to enter the road. Instead of waiting until they could see if the road was clear, the driver pulled onto the road right in front of Alan's Tesla. Alan instantly reacted by swerving, successfully avoiding any collision. Good save, Alan. This subscriber was driving his Model 3 when he approached a narrow section of the road. Suddenly, an impatient Ford driver tried to pass on a hill with limited visibility. When an oncoming pickup truck appeared, the Ford driver managed to squeeze between the pickup and another one ahead of our subscriber. Please don't try to overtake traffic on a narrow road with low visibility. This reckless maneuver could have easily caused a catastrophic collision. We all know how chaotic the roads can be during winter weather, but Nick's Teslacam captured it firsthand. He was driving his Model Y on a snowy day when a Subaru driver missed their turn, launched over a curb, then went the wrong way to reach their destination. Krishna was approaching an intersection in her Model Y on her way to pick up breakfast one snowy morning with full self-driving engaged. As the SUV ahead of her got into the left turn lane, she followed right behind it. Suddenly, she realized that the oncoming police officer wasn't stopping for his red light. Incredibly, FSD also noticed what was happening and stopped to wait for the red light runner to pass. Even though the police car had no emergency lights active, or indeed any lights on at all, FSD had recognized its trajectory and successfully avoided a T-bone collision. Mitch was on his way to work early one morning when he stopped for a red light. When it turned green, he began accelerating normally to cross the intersection. About a third of the way across, the driver of a black SUV blew past stopped traffic to speed across the intersection. Mitch told us his Tesla detected the dangerous driver, sounding an audible alarm and slamming on the brakes to prevent a collision. TJ was using full self-driving in his Model Y one morning, headed down a highway at 6 a.m. When the car ahead moved into the travel lane, FSD moved into the passing lane to go around it. Suddenly, a 3-foot-tall sagebrush appeared, hidden in the shadows until TJ's Tesla had rounded a curve. TJ spotted it just as FSD began braking, but with a concrete barrier on the left and a car on the right, FSD had no way to avoid running into the obstacle. To make things worse, the other driver also slowed down, blocking the lane even as the Tesla decelerated and preventing an evasive lane change. FSD chose the least expensive option, colliding with the sagebrush. Thankfully, it didn't cause any damage to the vehicle. Rick was driving his Model Y when he merged into a center turn lane before encountering an oncoming driver who was doing the same thing. Rather than stopping and waiting for an opening to return to the driving lanes, the Scion driver blindly merged, clipping his front bumper cover on the wheels of a passing truck. Rick stopped to make sure everyone was okay and offer his Teslacam footage. Thankfully, nobody was injured. A representative of the business that owns the truck came to document the scene, and he was very impressed and grateful for Rick's footage. Macaulay sent us this footage captured at a roundabout, where the left lane is for left turns only, while the right lane is only for continuing straight. Predictably, a driver in the left lane continued straight, nearly hitting Macaulay's Tesla. Macaulay honked, which might explain why the other driver appeared angry. Where are the cops when you need them? Robert was driving his Model Y in snowy conditions, and as he made a left turn, the driver behind him decided to treat the single turn lane as if it were two. The other driver was barely holding onto the road as they did their best to accelerate, and seconds later, they completely lost control before sliding across the oncoming lanes. Robert just chuckled at the hapless driver before continuing on his way, breathing a sigh of relief that nobody had been hurt. This subscriber's wife had left her Model Y parked outside her workplace when another driver collided with it while trying to park next to it. Instead of taking responsibility, the other driver just relocated to another spot before walking away, turning an honest mistake into a hit and run. Eden was on his way to work in rush hour traffic when his Model Y captured a really cool moment. A Boeing C-17A Globemaster III from the 62nd Airlift Wing was on approach to Joint Base Lewis McChord, the closest approach Eden's ever seen. That's one impressive aircraft. Any aviation enthusiasts out there? Let us know in the comments. Ilya was on her way to the airport for an early morning departure when something unexpectedly held her up. A duck stopped directly in front of her car, right under a no filming sign. Obviously, Ilya ignored the sign or she wouldn't have been able to share this footage with us. She wasn't sure what the duck to do. Was it hoping for food or did it just want to check out her Tesla? It did eventually waddle away, allowing Ilya to continue. The Teslacams of Fred's parked Model 3 captured a truly painful recording when a Lexus SUV scraped the rear of the Tesla. It's clear from the video that the Lexus driver realized the damage that his driving had caused, but even so, he just walked away. Fred didn't share any further information, but hopefully his Teslacam footage was helpful in locating the Lexus driver so his insurance provider could pay for the damage. Jacob was on his way home late one night and had just disengaged full self-driving a few minutes earlier when a black bear suddenly darted in front of his Tesla without warning. That was an incredibly close call, but Jacob's Tesla was able to avoid a disaster thanks to its excellent braking power. If you want to see more incredible Teslacam stories from all over the world, check out this video next and be sure to subscribe to be notified of next week's episode.